Hosting or cloud? Hosting offers great value, but there are 12 key things you need to know before you buy to ensure it's the right fit for your website. Let's dive in. First, Hostinger's cloud hosting is packed with great performance, especially for the price. Compared to competitors like SiteGround or Bluehost, Hostinger stands out by offering a solid cloud hosting service that's easy to use and incredibly affordable. But how does it hold up in other areas? Let's find out. Next thing, the ease of setup. Hostinger's cloud hosting comes with a simple, user-friendly interface. Whether you're a beginner or experienced user, their custom H-panel is intuitive and easy to navigate. It's not as polished as cPanel, but for most people, it's more than enough, and it helps you get your website up and running without hassle. The third thing you need to know is speed. Hostinger boasts that their cloud hosting uses SSD storage and custom optimizations, which translates to faster load times. This is crucial for SEO and user experience. While companies like A2 Hosting may offer similar speeds, Hostinger provides a great balance of performance and cost efficiency. Moving on to the fourth thing, scalability. Hostinger Cloud. Hosting is designed to grow with your website. Whether you're hosting a personal blog or a small business site, you can upgrade your resources as needed. Competitors may offer more advanced enterprise solutions, but Hostinger's cloud plans make scaling affordable for most users. The fifth thing, security. Hostinger provides a range of security features, including free SSL certificates, DDoS protection, and daily backups. While it's not the most comprehensive security plan out there, it covers the essentials. If you're looking for high-end security, you might want to explore options like WP Engine, but Hostinger is more than adequate for most users. Now the sixth thing, support. Hostinger offers 24/7 live chat and email support. Their response times are fast, and the quality of assistance is pretty good. It's not as expert-driven as some higher-end hosts like Kinsta, but it's still a solid option. Seventh, pricing. Hostinger's pricing is incredibly competitive. They offer great deals for new customers, but once the initial term is over, the renewal price can be significantly higher. If you're looking to lock in long-term savings, be sure to check the renewal terms before signing up. The eighth thing is the storage. Hostinger offers SSD storage, which is faster than traditional HDD storage, but the total storage on lower tier plans might be a bit limited compared to what you get with other hosts at similar prices, like DreamHost. Ninth, uptime. Hostinger guarantees a 99.9% uptime. While their uptime is generally solid, you might experience occasional downtime. If uptime is your top priority, services like SiteGround tend to perform a bit better, but Hostinger's track record is still reliable for most small to medium websites. The 10th thing is WordPress compatibility. Hostinger works great with WordPress, offering easy one-click installs and optimized performance. While many hosts are optimized for WordPress, like Bluehost, Hostinger does a great job offering excellent performance without the high cost. Next thing, migration. If you're moving from another host, Hostinger makes migrations simple, with free website transfers for the first 30 days. It's more streamlined than some providers, though if you have a larger site, you might find the process more challenging compared to a managed host like Flywheel. The 12th and final thing, overall value. Hostinger's cloud hosting offers a lot for the price. It's great for small to medium-sized websites with a tight budget. If you're comparing to bigger players in the space, you're not getting enterprise-level support or features, but what you do get is a solid, reliable cloud hosting service that won't break the bank. So, is Hostinger cloud hosting a good option? Absolutely. It offers a solid balance of performance, speed, and support at an affordable price, especially for smaller websites. However, if you're looking for even more features, premium support, or better long-term value, check out our recommended solution. You can even try it for free.